I can't open this bowl.
You pull it out. Hi, Grandma Gramps. I'm sleepy.
I can't open the rest. I wonder what's in here.
No, you should rip it open and find out.
Hi, I'm Farmer Pam. This is my banjo.
Why don't you hold them up and tell Grandma Gramps what you got?
I got a shirt and some jeans and some sit.
Alright, looks like one more package in there.
I want to know what this package is. I can look open and see clearly now. Underpants.
There's one for each day of the week.
Yeah. Let's open them.
We'll open them later and put them in the laundry. I think if you look behind you, there's one more thing behind you. It's in a plastic book right there.
With the butterflies.
I can't open it.
Okay, hold still.
I got this.
You need some help? Hand it to me, I'll help you. Alright. I've had some sticky tape, that was tough. Hi everybody. Oh, you didn't see that, right? Okay. What's on the other side? What's that?
Oh, that's for me.
What is it?
A watch.
It's a watch. Well, why don't you look right into the camera and say, "Thank you, Grandma Gramps."
Thank you, Grandma.
Do you like your presents?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you should tell them. Say, "Grandma Gramps, I really like my present."
Grandma, I